What's up, my lowriders? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. And if you want to become one of my lowriders, that's exactly what you have to do. Today I'm going to be making a wig on the sewing machine, and hopefully my sewing machine does not act up on me. But right now, all I'm doing is doubling the tracks. And this is not a tutorial, so I'm just saying I'm doubling the tracks. Basically sewing the tracks together so that I don't have to put sew on a million tracks on my wig cap. You guys, I have 3 bundles that I'm using. 20, no, I'm sorry, my bad. 18, 16, and 14. And the closure is, the 4x4 closure is, I believe, 14 inches also. And this is what the tracks look like when you sew them together, when you're doubling the tracks. Okay guys, I sewed the closure on by hand already because it's easier for me that way. And now I'm about to double the tracks on the 16-inch wefts also. I have the lines drawn on there. They're like a guideline so that my tracks will stay a certain amount of space apart. I'm about to sew the first track on. Guys, I'm praying that this sewing machine don't act up, because usually when I do my wigs, it always acts up some type of way. And I was thinking maybe I need a more heavy duty type of sewing machine, but I haven't gotten one yet. And then I said, well, let me try this again. Maybe it'll work. But so far, it's been doing pretty good. It usually acts up, you guys, right when I get to where I'm almost done with it, because you have to keep all the hair from up under the foot, and then you have the closure piece, and then you have the track you're trying to sew on, but the last weft you're trying to sew on is like hair everywhere, and it be acting up. Now you guys can't see exactly where but the needle is going in position and everything. I need to figure out how to set my camera up to where you guys can see all of that. ain't gonna lie, I totally forgot about you guys. The wig is almost done. I'm down to the last few tracks. I'm just doubling the last bundle, which is 14 inches. And I didn't think I was gonna need it. However, I do. So I am.
Shit. Ah.
Okay, guys, I am done with her. I didn't style it. I just put some baby hairs out because I don't know if the person's gonna get it once it's styled, curled, flat iron. But I'm leaving it like that until somebody see it and say I want it flat ironed, or I want it curled, or I want it styled. That's it. Thanks for watching. You guys, don't forget to subscribe. Stay blessed.